Today, we are taking an exclusive look at one of the most striking coupes Mercedes-Benz has ever created, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE Coupe. This car represents a perfect blend of futuristic elegance, advanced technology, and timeless luxury. What you are about to see is not just a new model. It is the next evolution of Mercedes-Benz design. At first glance, the 2026 CLE immediately stands out with its effortless balance of sophistication and innovation. Finished in a stunning polar white exterior, the body is sculpted with precision, focusing on clean aerodynamics and visual harmony. At the front, ultra-slim horizontal LED headlights stretch across the fascia and flow seamlessly into the illuminated Mercedes emblem, giving the car a bold and futuristic presence. The black panel grille adds contrast and confidence, making the front end look both modern and unmistakably premium. From the side, the CLE Coupe displays a beautifully balanced coupe silhouette, long, flowing, and athletic. Frameless doors and flush door handles enhance the aerodynamic profile, while the large turbine-inspired alloy wheels add a sporty yet elegant character. At the rear, a continuous LED light bar runs cleanly from one side to the other, framing the Mercedes branding and reinforcing the car's modern identity. The overall design is minimal, fluid, and refined, the kind of styling that looks just as stunning parked as it does in motion. Step inside, and the 2026 CLE Coupe completely redefines what modern luxury feels like. The cabin is wrapped in premium tan leather with finely stitched details that feel truly handcrafted. A panoramic glass roof fills the interior with natural light, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. The dashboard is dominated by a massive digital hyperscreen that seamlessly blends the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one sleek interface. Ambient lighting softly follows the lines of the cabin, creating a warm, modern environment that feels unmistakably Mercedes-Benz. Every element, from the steering wheel to the air vents, has been designed with precision and purpose. Beneath the elegant exterior, the 2026 CLE Coupe is expected to offer next-generation powertrain options. Mercedes-Benz is likely to introduce both mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants, delivering a balance of performance and efficiency. The CLE 454 MATIC, for example, is rumored to produce around 380 horsepower from a turbocharged inline-six engine paired with an integrated starter generator. This setup promises smooth power delivery, instant torque, and a refined driving experience. Engineers have focused heavily on ride comfort, balance, and quietness, ensuring every drive feels calm, confident, and luxurious. Pricing for the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE Coupe is expected to start around $60,000, depending on trim and options, with higher performance AMG versions reaching beyond $80,000. The official debut is anticipated in mid-2026, with global deliveries beginning shortly after. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE Coupe is not just another luxury car. It is a statement of design, innovation, and modern elegance. It proves that Mercedes-Benz continues to lead the way when it comes to blending style, intelligence, and performance into one breathtaking package. If you enjoyed this exclusive first look, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the cars of the future. Drop a comment below and tell us what you think of the new CLE Coupe. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.